How to share a PPT file or PowerPoint presentation from WhatsApp on mobile. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can share a PowerPoint presentation from WhatsApp in mobile. Now the process itself is relatively easy and simple, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you'll have to do is you'll have to save the PowerPoint presentation file on your device storage. You want to make sure that you export it to your phone storage, and once you have done so, once you have exported the PPT file onto your device, you can simply open up WhatsApp, head into any chat that you wish to, and then you want to tap on the little pin icon, the file icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen beside the camera icon. You want to simply tap on it and you'll get the option that is document at the very first. You want to simply tap on document, and now you want to browse documents on your phone, and you want to go through your phone storage and select the particular PPT file that you downloaded or exported to your phone, and then you can simply send it as a file. So this way you can share a PPT on WhatsApp. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.